Imagine a world buzzing with intelligent machines. They work alongside us, learn from us, and even anticipate our needs. This is not science fiction. This is the promise of Agentic AI, a revolutionary technology poised to reshape our world. The future is here and it is intelligent. Agentic AI is no longer a concept confined to research labs. It is breaking free, entering our homes, workplaces, and everyday lives. This is not just another technological leap. It is a fundamental shift in how we interact with machines. The very essence of Agentic AI lies in its ability to act, not just react. It is a new breed of AI capable of independent thought, planning, and execution of complex tasks. The implications are staggering, touching every aspect of human endeavor. Prepare yourself for a future where machines don't just follow instructions, but actively shape the world around them. The age of Agentic AI has dawned, and with it comes a future brimming with possibilities. If this future excites you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on subtitles in your language, because this video is for everyone, everywhere. For decades, artificial intelligence was confined to the realm of pre-programmed instructions. These traditional AI systems excelled at specific tasks, but lacked the capacity for true autonomy. They could process data and generate outputs based on predefined rules, but independent thought and action remained elusive. Agentic AI shatters these limitations. It marks a paradigm shift from passive execution to proactive engagement. If you're learning something new here, tap the thanks button. Your support helps us keep creating valuable content. Imagine AI agents that can set their own goals, devise strategies, and adapt to changing circumstances, all without human intervention. This is the essence of Agentic AI, the ability to operate with a level of autonomy previously unseen in the realm of artificial intelligence. These AI agents are more than tools. They're collaborators, capable of independent thought and action. This newfound autonomy stems from advanced algorithms, vast datasets, and the ability to learn and adapt over time. Agentic AI systems can analyze complex scenarios, anticipate potential outcomes, and make decisions that align with their objectives. And if you want to go deeper into AI's evolution, become a member and unlock exclusive explainers inside the AI Prosperity Hub. Agentic AI leverages the power of deep learning, a sophisticated form of machine learning. This allows it to analyze massive data sets, identify patterns, and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. Impressed by how AI works under the hood? Like this video to help it reach more future-focused minds, but it goes beyond simple pattern recognition. Imagine a chess grandmaster strategizing moves far in advance. Agentic AI operates similarly, but on a much grander scale. It can simulate scenarios, evaluate potential outcomes, and choose the optimal course of action. This decision-making capability is not pre-programmed. It is learned through continuous interaction with data and the environment. Agentic AI systems refine their strategies over time, adapting to new information and evolving challenges. This ability to learn, adapt, and improve independently is what sets Agentic AI apart. It is this capacity for autonomous thought and action that makes it such a transformative technology. The transformative potential of Agentic AI is no longer a distant dream. It is already shaping various industries, offering a glimpse into a future where intelligent machines play an increasingly prominent role. Consider Devin, a groundbreaking AI system developed by Cognition AI. This intelligent agent assists legal professionals by automating legal research, contract analysis, and even litigation strategy. Devin demonstrates the power of Agentic AI to revolutionize complex and knowledge-intensive fields. In the realm of software development, AutoGPT is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This experimental AI tool can autonomously develop entire software applications based on high-level instructions. It can write code, debug errors, and even generate user interfaces, showcasing the potential of Agentic AI to automate complex creative tasks. OpenAI's assistant APIs are another powerful example. These APIs allow developers to integrate advanced language models into their applications, enabling a wide range of agentic AI capabilities. From chatbots that can hold natural conversations to AI assistants that can manage schedules and book appointments, the possibilities are endless. The rise of agentic AI is poised to have a profound impact on our lives, transforming industries, redefining work, and raising fundamental questions about the relationship between humans and machines. In the workplace, agentic AI will automate tasks, enhance productivity, and create new opportunities for human-machine collaboration. Repetitive and data-intensive jobs will be automated, freeing up human workers to focus on tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. However, this transformation also presents challenges. What's your view? Opportunity or threat? Let us know in the comments. The potential displacement of jobs due to automation is a valid concern that requires careful consideration and proactive solutions. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions must work together to equip individuals with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-powered economy. Beyond the workplace, agentic AI will personalize our experiences, optimize resource allocation, and accelerate scientific discovery. From personalized healthcare recommendations to smart cities that manage traffic flow and energy consumption, the possibilities are endless. The transformative potential of agentic AI has not gone unnoticed. Leading tech companies around the world are investing heavily in this revolutionary technology, recognizing its ability to reshape industries and create entirely new markets. OpenAI, the company behind groundbreaking AI models like ChatGPT and DALL-E 2, is at the forefront of agentic AI research and development. Their assistant APIs are empowering developers to create a new generation of AI-powered applications, driving innovation across various sectors. Liking the value here? Tap thanks. It's a simple way to show support. Google DeepMind, known for its mastery of deep learning, is also deeply involved in agentic AI research. Their work on AI agents that can learn to play complex games like Go and StarCraft has pushed the boundaries of AI capabilities, paving the way for more sophisticated and autonomous systems. Microsoft, a tech giant with a long history of innovation, is investing heavily in agentic AI through its Azure AI platform. This platform provides developers with the tools and resources needed to build, deploy, and manage AI-powered applications, including those that leverage agentic AI capabilities. Curious to explore how the biggest tech companies are driving AI progress? Tap into exclusive breakdowns inside the AI Prosperity Hub. As with any transformative technology, agentic AI is not without its challenges. As we embrace the vast potential of intelligent machines, we must also proceed with caution, addressing ethical considerations and ensuring the safe and responsible development of this powerful technology. Data bias is a significant concern. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and biased data can lead to biased outcomes. It is crucial to ensure that agentic AI systems are trained on diverse and representative datasets to mitigate the risk of perpetuating or amplifying existing societal biases. Decision-making transparency is another critical aspect. As agentic AI systems become more autonomous, it is essential to understand how they arrive at their decisions. Explainable AI, or XAI, is an emerging field that aims to make AI decision-making processes more transparent and understandable to humans. Safety protocols are paramount. Agentic AI systems must be designed with robust safety mechanisms to prevent unintended consequences. This includes establishing clear lines of accountability, developing mechanisms for human oversight, and implementing safeguards to prevent malicious use or unintended harm. AI's future is bright, but only if we build it with ethics at the core. Tell us, what do you think is the biggest risk in agentic AI? Bias? Control? Drop your view in the comments. The future of agentic AI isn't just in the hands of tech companies, it's a collective responsibility. It is a shared responsibility that requires the active participation of policymakers, ethicists, and society as a whole. We must engage in open and informed discussions about the ethical implications of agentic AI. This includes addressing concerns about job displacement, data privacy, and the potential for misuse. By fostering a culture of responsible AI development, we can harness the transformative power of this technology while mitigating potential risks. To ensure future generations thrive in an AI-powered world, we must prioritize education, promote digital literacy, and foster critical thinking. We need to equip future generations with the knowledge and skills to thrive in an AI-powered world. This includes promoting digital literacy, fostering critical thinking skills, and encouraging ethical awareness in the development and use of AI technologies. The future of agentic AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we are actively shaping through our choices and actions. Together, we can shape a future where agentic AI serves everyone fairly, ethically, and wisely. The age of agentic AI is upon us, and it is an era brimming with both promise and challenge. By embracing a future where intelligent machines work alongside us, we have the opportunity to unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency, innovation, and human progress. Let us proceed with a spirit of curiosity and a commitment to responsible development. Let us harness the power of agentic AI to solve our greatest challenges, create a more equitable and sustainable world, and usher in a new era of human advancement. The future is not something to be feared, but rather something to be shaped. Let us shape it together with wisdom, foresight, and a shared commitment to harnessing the transformative power of agentic AI for the betterment of humanity. If this journey inspired you, please like the video, subscribe, and share it so more people can learn and grow with us. Want to go deeper? Become a member of the AI Prosperity Hub. If you found value here, tap the thanks button. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content. Subtitles are available in multiple languages. Share the knowledge globally. Together, we stand at the edge of a new era. Let us move forward not just with innovation, but with intention, because agentic AI is not just about what it can do. It's about what we choose to do with it. Thanks for being part of this journey. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on subtitles in your language. And if you found this valuable, tap the thanks button. It truly supports this work.